If your air conditioning on your Nissan Qashqai is not working, chances are it's the condenser. This is the most common and probably the weakest part of the air conditioning system. It's located at the front behind the bumper. So here's the guide to how it's replaced. But before we start, we need to remove the gas from the system. So if you're doing this yourself, you'll need to go to a garage and get this removed. So let's get started. Remove the screws and clips on the front at the top near the grille. The same on the bottom. Now, on the side where the trim, there's a screw at the bottom, and then this unclips and moves outwards. You will see at the top a 10mm bolt that holds the top of the corner of the bumper. Pull back the inner wheel arch liners so that you can see any wiring on the fog lamps. Now, the corners of the bumpers will pull outwards, seen here. Now you will find under the grille cover there are 4 clips holding the remaining of the bumper. Before you lift away the bumper, remove the wiring from the camera at the front near the badge. Then as you lift away, you will see there are 2 more wiring harnesses, one on the left and one on the right. The condenser is now very clear to see, but be very careful of the radar at the front. If this is moved, then a calibration on the ADAS system will be required. Remove the 2 small plastic cowlings on each side. Now the pipes are easily accessible and can be loosened and removed. Using a screwdriver, release the clip at the top and pull the condenser forwards. It will now pull to the left and lift outwards. Carefully lift out as shown and then replace the seals on the pipes. Now we can replace our condenser with our new one. Pushing the right hand side in and then clipping the left hand side backwards. Connect the pipes and that's the condenser fitted. At this stage I would regas the air conditioning system to ensure there is no additional leaks. And if there's no problems, rebuild it in reverse order. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been how to fix it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see some more interesting Qashqai videos, check these out. And as always, leave us a comment below.